Dream 11 IPL 2020 match number 4, both team playing 11. Rajasthan Royals versus Chennai Super Kings, probable playing 11. Rajasthan Royals playing 11. Manan Bora, Robin Uthappa, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Ryan Parag, David Miller, Shreyas Gopal, Jorfa Archer, Oshane Thomas, Mahipal Lomar, Jaydev Unadkat, Andrew Tye. And Chennai Super Kings playing 11. Murali Vijay, Shane Watson, Faf du Plessis, Ambati Rayudu, Kedar Jadhav, MS Dhoni, Ravindra Jadeja, Sam Curran, Deepak Chahar, Piyush Chawla, Lugni Nigdi.